Intel oneAPI 2025 Toolkit, now available, celebrating 5 years of oneAPI. The newest 2025.0 developer tools boosts developer productivity and code scalability. 3 key benefits with the 2025 version. More performance on Intel platforms. Achieve up to 3x higher GenAI performance on 6th Gen Intel Xeon processors with 1DNN, Intel-optimized AI frameworks, and Intel AMX1. Achieve up to 2.5x better HPC performance with MRDIMM 2 and oneMQL. Develop high-performance AI on the PC, including LLM development, with optimized tools to unlock the power of Intel Core Ultra processors and improve security and encryption with Intel Cryptography Primitives Library. More access to industry-standard tools. Get even more from your existing development workflows using industry-leading AI frameworks and performance libraries with even more built-in Intel optimizations, including native support for PyTorch 2.5 on CPUs and GPUs. Achieve optimal performance across CPU, GPU, and AI accelerators from the latest LLMs, Llama 3.2, Qwen 2, Phi 3, and more, with Intel AI tools, and streamline your software setup with our Toolkit selector to install full kits or write sized subbundles. More hardware choices. Enjoy increased multi-vendor, multi-architecture support, including faster CUDA, to SYCL migration with the Intel DPC compatibility tool that auto-migrates over 100 APIs used by popular AI, HPC, and rendering apps. Achieve near-native performance on CPU and GPU for numeric compute with Intel distribution for Python. Get 4x speedup of GPU kernels for algorithms with oneDPL and gain future system flexibility and prevent lock-in through cross-hardware AI acceleration. Libraries, including Triton, JX, and OpenXLA. Shearchain Enterprise Company. Limited distributes and sells software with the aim of offering clients guidance when choosing software, as well as technical support.